Good afternoon, everyone. My name is George Gonzales, and I'm here with my father, who is the founder of Gonzales Roofing and Gutters. Today, I will be walking you through the setup of our gutter truck, showing you how we efficiently fabricate and install seamless gutters on site. Our gutter truck is a mobile workshop, allowing us to cut custom length gutters right at the job site, ensuring precision, efficiency, and top quality installation. Let's dive in. This truck is designed specifically for seamless gutter fabrication. It's equipped with everything we need to run a smooth, efficient operation. Here we have our 5-inch gutter machine, which takes flat metal coil and forms it into the exact gutter profile we need. Here we have our Predator generator, used to power on our gutter machine and to power on our battery electric tools. Introduce our battery powered tools that we use for installations. To add on, here we show another indispensable tool for our job site, the brake machine. Here we have our battery powered leaf blower, made to clean up any debris after the job is done. To make sure we're hydrated, we have this special fridge right here. And that was a quick look on how we set up and operate our gutter truck for seamless installations. This setup allows us to provide high quality custom fit gutters directly on site, improving efficiency and customer satisfaction. Just so you know, we install 5 and 6-inch gutters. Remember, safety is always priority. When working with a gutter truck, we follow these guidelines. Always wear gloves when handling metal. Keep hands clear of the rollers and cutting blades. And secure the coil and tools properly before driving. In conclusion, we'd like to thank you for joining us on this quick tour of our truck and gutter setup at Gonzales Roofing and Gutters. Thank you and have a nice day.